Okay, welcome back. In my last video, I had worked on the 6x6 cube, and I got it down to a similar pattern as the 4x4x4. I also, prior to that video, I did the 5x5x5, getting it down to the last few remaining two center edge pairs. And then in this video, I'm going to do the 7x7x7, the getting the centers edge done. So I'm going to continue on by matching up two pairs like I did. There I see that's not going to fit there. Or yeah, well, I just need to flip that around, I think. Take that back to the side, bring that up, bring that over, bring that. Nope, but it's not the right one, because when I pair it, it's the opposite, like checkerboard. I don't want to do that. I mean, I can do it, but it's easier if you don't. There's the other yellow and orange. I need to do the same thing to it. I need to put it up, pull it down, and move it around. Okay, so here we go. There's the yellow and orange. Sorry about the location here. So I can move that off to the side. I don't want to break the red and green, so I'm going to bring that down twice so I can unbreak. That's already broken. Bring that back up. So now I need to find the remaining ones. Okay, here's the green and white, but that's not the right one, because even if I'd line that up, the green would be there, the white would be there. That's not the right pair. Where is the next one? There it is. Nope. Okay, well I found the other pair over here, and that lines up perfectly. There's the green and white. Turn that off to the side, bring that down, bring it back, bring it up. And now I got the white and the green pair. I'm going to keep repeating this. See, I don't like this. It's not real easy to deal with. And you can, but I'm going to break that up. Looks like I can get that white, or that yellow and blue one by going down here, bring that down, bring that over, move it out of the way, and then bring that back up, and then go back. Alright. Okay, so now, what's the next one I want to do? There's a okay, I want to do the blue and the orange. There we go. There's the blue and orange. Blue and orange. Bring that up. Move it out of the way. Except I don't want to do it on that, because that pair is already done. I'm going to move it one more. That pair, it's not a pair, so I'm going to bring that back over and back down. So now I got, I don't know where that blue and orange went, but there it is, blue and orange. Okay, I'm going to keep doing this. It's a time-consuming process. See how quickly I can get the rest of these real quick. You know, again, I'm going incredibly slow so that you can kind of follow along for those that want to, you know, see. I mean, of course, you can fast forward through these or what have you. So there's red and yellow. Bring that over. It's the same procedure that I would use 6x6, the 5x5, the 4x4. And so just pairing these up is a piece of cake. Oh, here's the white and blue. So I can bring that up and bring that down. So, because I'm going to use these two, bring that over, bring that up, bring that back, bring it back down. Okay, so now, what's the next one I want to do? There's a red and yellow. That will work just fine. I need to swap it around so that it's on the left side, or the right side here rather. Again, I have some cubes that I can got messed up along that edge. Turn it away. Put these non-matched ones in. Come back. Okay, so now we're slowly getting there. Okay, let's do this white and orange one. There's a white and orange, but if I flip that around, it won't be the right one. So I need to find the other white orange. Oh, okay, well here I can do that one. It'll pair up with that one just fine, and there's the other one. Whatever, I'm just gonna flip this so that it's flipped around in different orientations so I can move that down and build that. Do I have any junk ones I can swap that out with? Yes, I got those two. So I got that down, bring that over, turn it out of the way, put the junk ones in, bring it back up, and I have it. So I'm going to keep going. I need to find the other ones that were here that I just saw. The white orange and the white orange. There we go. Bring that on. Do I have any junk pieces? Yes, I do. So I can go back up. Bring that over. Turn it out of the way. And then those for the two junk pieces. And bring it back and bring it down. Okay, so let's try another pair. I'm just looking for the other blue orange. Where'd it go? Of course, when you're looking for it, you can't find it. Oh well, I might just jump to a different color set if I don't find it right quickly. Here we go. I got orange and yellow. I think that'll work. Yes. So you see the orange and the yellow? I gotta flip this whole corner around. Again, you know, while it's like this, all I can do, or what I can do is bring it up to the back, twist it back, down, and then there you have it. I have it over here, lined up perfectly. And then I do have some pieces that I can move out of there. So I'm gonna bring that up, and then bring that over. Bring that in, bring that back, bring it down. Okay, so now, let's see. There's blue orange. There's other blue orange. Now, there we go. I have a whole wedge that has unmatched pieces. Bring that down, bring it over, slide them out of the way. turn that back, and then bring that back up. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing this. I have a couple more pairs to make. There's a blue and yellow. I'm going to bring that over. There's the piece I'm going to swap out. And there you go. So, a few more. Pieces to go. Oh wow, there's white and blue. And then do I have some junk pieces I can swap out? I sure do. There they are, right there. Bring that down, bring that over, twist that, bring that back, and bring it up. Okay, so now, let me see, there's yellow and green. I need to take that up and rotate it around and bring it back. So now they're in the same area. But now I need to figure out, I need some junk pieces. So I think I can get this as my junk piece, bring that down to there, and then when I bring this up, I can twist that. Whoops, I have it in the wrong. I don't want to do that because when I brought it up, I don't want to build it like that. I mean, you can, but it's easier if you don't. So I have the wrong piece there. And of course I didn't see that until I executed the move. Oh, here's the right piece. But again, I need to flip it around. So let me bring that to the back, bring that up, bring that down. There, now I have the right yellow piece for this. Now, do I have the right junk piece? I do. And again, you know, I can rotate that to the front so we can see it. I'll bring that forward, bring those two together, turn it right. Oh my, okay, there's my junk piece. It's back here. And then I turn it there, and then bring it back. Okay, so now, what else? I'm gonna get this red and white one. There we go. I have my junk pieces there, or unmatched pieces rather. Bring that in, bring it back. There you go. Okay, so now, what do we have? Okay, we're down to a few remaining cubes here. And again, this may almost touch upon what I was talking about for my next video that I want to do. It gets tougher when you run out of these unmatched pieces like this. I need to find the other mixed pair. Where'd they go? Oh, no, wait a minute. Yeah, because I don't have anything that I can do this with. Where did that go? Oh. I need what? The white green? Or what is this? I need the white green one. Where'd it go there? Oh, it's over here. Wow, this is a tricky condition. So what I might do in this case is break this out into another block. you know, another pair that I have so that I can deal with getting these lined up the way I want, because I don't have any other broken pair except for in this one line, and I wasn't planning it that way. You see, I'm trying to get, you know, like I did with these other ones, trying to get, you know, some broken pairs in at least 3 positions. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these out and swap them for like the pair that's already built or something like that. So I'm going to bring that down, bring that over, bring that over, bring that back, and bring that back up. So now that other unmatched wedge, I can do something with it now. I don't know if that's it. No, that's what I was gonna try and do to begin with. Where did I put that other unmatched pair now? Oh, no way. I just shuffled it down here. That isn't what I wanted to do. So I think I need to do a little more work here. I'm gonna take these pair and put them somewhere here. There you have it. So now what did I just do? It didn't work. That's weird. Alright, let's try this again then. Bring those over, replace them with that. Okay, there we go. Now I'm getting somewhere. So now I'm getting kind of what I need. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so now I have that. Where's my other unmatched pair? I'll bring that over here somewhere. I'll bring that over there. So now, I don't know. That's right. I need to get these over here, I think. And this kind of is touching on a topic on my next video that I want to do is, you know, how to deal with these last 2 remaining center edge cubes, or 3 center edge cubes and stuff like that. So it may not make a whole lot of sense, but what I got to be able to do is line this up so that whenever I move that over, this other piece that I'll put in there will be this green-white piece right there, and that'll kind of solve that. You see what I'm saying? When I make this edge and I move it over, I need to be able to have that piece go in to there, and then it'll come back and it'll line this up and it'll just click. So I have to do that maneuver that we talked about. And I don't think that's it. I have to flip these over so that the orange and the green are up here. So I didn't do a good job of that. Hold on. There you go. So now this will work, and then that'll ensure that this will swap it in. So let's go. So I'm going to bring the red and the yellow up. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to replace it with the target piece, the white and green, and then I'm going to bring that back down, and as you can see, then it just put them into proper alignment. So now what I got to do is get the centerpiece as part of the group on the right side, and then keep building it until I get down to 2 or 3 pairs like I have the other ones. Now that one's fully built for this part that I need, so it's just, there's the yellow and green. So now I can go with these 2 pieces, bring that over, bring 2 pieces over, and bring it back down. Now I have, you know, that row built. So now I need to look for another one. That's kind of flipped around, but it does have the proper ones here. So bring that up, bring that over, bring in my other 2 pieces, bring it back, and bring that down, both of those. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm building the middle one. I'm attaching the middle one to the 2 that I've done on the side. There we go. There's orange and yellow. Turn that off to the side, bring 2 pieces up, bring that back down. We're good. There's the white and the orange. Turn that off to the side. There's 2 pieces. Bring that back, bring that back up. So now I got those 3 built. So now, where's my next target? Here we go. Here's the orange and the blue. Now, do I have any? Yeah, I have that guy that I can plug into that. I can go there, turn that off to the side, turn that away, put in 2 pieces that are already built, and then bring that back. It's that simple, you see. So then, it's going to be the same thing. Bring these up. Well, I didn't want to build a full row yet, but I mean I can, just since I'm already here. Turn that up, replace it with those 2, bring that back down. But my goal at this point now is to just build 3, and I kind of broke that rule. But I mean, building one of them is not going to be the end of the world. Here we go. Here's the white and green. Turn that off to the side. Bring in the other 2 pieces. Bring that back. Bring that down. Okay. Trying to fixate on one that I can find. The red and the blue. Here we go. There we go. Bring that over. And now I can line up the red and the blue. Bring that over. As long as the 2 pieces that I'm doing match up with that, it's not going to really mess anything up. You see? It's very easy. It's not complicated. It's just a matter of taking a little patience, taking a little bit of time, building these up, you see? There we go. There's white and blue. Turning that all off to the side, moving that out of the way, bringing in 2 pairs, and then bringing that back, you see? There's red and orange, or not red and orange, but red and green. But I need to flip this cube around. It's easier to do it now, trust me. So, there we go. And you keep building off of these centers. There's yellow and blue. Bring that up. Looks to me like I don't have any on this side that I can swap with. If I turn that to the right, if I turn, yeah, here we go. If I turn it this way, there's cubes lined up there. Then I can move that out of the way and then put them in that place and bring it back. There we go. I didn't intend on installing the whole green and orange row, but that just happened. So we're coming down to the wire here. Let me see. Where's the white and red ones? There they are. There, I can swap this green and red one out with that. There we go. Where's the next ones? So it looks to me like I got at least 3 built, and then I just have 2. So now it's the other game, building the full center edge. Now that I got all these lined up, that's what I'm going to do. There's the blue and the white, and then I can use those as target cubes. Move that and that. There you go. I build that. So now okay, there's yellow and blue. I got some target cubes here. Turn that up. Turn that out of the way. Bring that back. Bring that back. So now I got another edge done. Now I can use the white and the orange. There's another group of target cubes. Build that. Move it out of the way. Move in my other 2. Bring that back. And bring it back up. So now here's the white and red. Okay, if I bring that up, do I have any that I can swap out with that? I do. The orange and the yellow. Okay. I mean the red and the yellow. There we go. So I can move that over. Bring that over. Bring that up. Bring that back. And like that. There we go. So now we're down to 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 more. So if I turn that to the right, okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get those in there. Turn that to the right, move that up, bring that back, and then bring that back down. So now we're just looking at 2 sides here, just like we are. So we're done with the 7x7x7 for this particular video. The next video that I want to show is the next step that will work in the 4x4x4, 5x5x5, 6x6x6, 7x7x7, and the 9x9x9. But before I get to that, I will get the remainder. My next video actually for this grouping of videos is getting all the edge corner centers rather done up to the point like I got here on the 7x7x7. So that's, as you can tell, it's beginning to slowly take shape on each one of these cubes using the same procedure. So I'm going to cut it off for now, and I'm going to start a little bit later on the 9x9x9, getting the center edge cubes done in a similar fashion that I've done for the 7x7x7, because I prepped it up to the next point of getting the last two groupings done, you know. So that's it. All right.